Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will walk you through the detailed process of replacing the screen on an HP 14 laptop. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, plastic prying tools, and an anti-static wrist strap. Gather these tools to avoid interruptions during the repair. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This step ensures safety while working with internal components. Next, let's take a look at the screws that hold the bezel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located around the screen. Typically, there are about 6 to 8 screws, depending on the model. Keep these screws in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently use your plastic prying tool to detach the bezel from the screen. Start at one corner and slowly work your way around. Be careful not to apply too much pressure, as the clips can break easily. If you struggle with this, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation, where our experts can assist you. With the bezel removed, we can now access the screen itself. Look for the screws that secure the screen to the hinges. Again, using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these. Make sure to support the screen as you remove the last screw, ensuring it doesn't fall. Now, gently tilt the screen forward and disconnect the video cable attached at the back. This might require a flathead screwdriver to help pry open the connection. Remember, patience is key here to prevent any damage to the cable. Once the screen is free, it's a good idea to clean the internal area of the laptop. Use a soft cloth or compressed air to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Regular cleaning can help improve your laptop's overall performance. Now, let's install the new screen. Align the video cable with the connector and gently push it into place. Be sure it's secure before tilting the screen back into position. Reinstall the screws on the hinges to secure the screen, ensuring it is properly aligned. After that, take your bezel and align it back onto the screen. Press gently around the edges until you hear the clips snap into place. This is crucial for ensuring that the bezel is securely fitted. Finally, replace the screws around the bezel that you removed earlier. Make sure all screws are tightened, but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the components. If this process feels overwhelming or if you don't have the right tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. This means no calls, no travel, and you can get a quote before any repair is done, ensuring you're aware of the costs involved. Once all screws are in place, reconnect the battery and power on your laptop to test the new screen. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen on your HP 14. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.